guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinenwe Violet. I'm a registered nurse and also an entrepreneur. On this channel, I share different ways on how you can make money online. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 legit ways to make money online. So if this is what interests you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell beside it so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified by YouTube. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and help me share this video with your friends and families. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right into today's topic. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm going to be taking you guys through 5 legit ways you can actually make money online without you quitting your job, okay, if you have one. So the first way is through freelancing. Freelancing is a way of you providing service to people and you're getting paid for that service, okay, for your service. All right, let me say, for example, Fiverr. Fiverr is actually one of the freelancing platforms where people sell their skills and they make money. So you can make as much as $100 or even more on Fiverr. Yes, all right. So in order for you to sell on Fiverr, you need to have a Fiverr account. So if you can design, if you can translate, if you can transcribe, if you can edit, you can sell all these skills on Fiverr. So go ahead and create a Fiverr account and start making money on Fiverr. All right. It doesn't just stop at you creating a Fiverr account. You also need to create a gig. When you create a Fiverr account, you need to create a gig in order for you to sell. Okay. A gig is like you creating your own store. All right. Designing your own store in order for you to sell on Fiverr. Now, in my description box, I left a link for you to use to create your own Fiverr account. When you use that link in my description box, you're going to get $100 deposited into your Fiverr account when you're done creating the account. Okay. And also, let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video, okay, on how to create a gig on Fiverr, step by step on how to create a gig on Fiverr, and I will make that video for you. The second way you can make money online is through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, I believe it's one of the popular ways people are making money online these days. Yes. I believe you've seen people who are, some persons who actually promote products and they tell you, use this code or use this link. When you order this link, when you use this link, you're going to get discount. Or when you use this code, use my code, okay, and you will get 50% discount from your order and so on and so forth. That is actually affiliate marketing, okay? That is actually affiliate marketing. So you have to look for a company that offers affiliate program. Let me say, for example, Amazon. Look for Amazon, okay? Go to Amazon Associate program and sign up with Amazon. When you sign up with Amazon, create an account and you go to Amazon website and you choose a product. Choose a product you feel like this product is going to sell, okay? Choose a product and then you get a link of that product and you market it on your social media. Now, I believe Amazon pays like 5 to 10% on their products. So what you do is to share that product on your social media, promote it using that link. So anyone that orders the product through that link, you're going to get commission. Okay. Now, when you go to my description box, I have some affiliate links as well. When you order from that through that link, you order a product through that link, I get paid. Your girl needs to eat, so please go to my description box and patronize me. The third way to make money online is by publishing ebooks on Amazon KDP. Yes, so these books could be designed by you or could be designed by someone else. All you need to do is just to publish the book on Amazon KDP and you start making money from it. All right. Now, in order for you to sell books on Amazon KDP, you need to have Amazon KDP account. So you go to Amazon KDP website and you create your account, and you can even design your book, design a low content book on Amazon KDP using the book books and publish them on Amazon KDP and start making money from it. That is another way you can make money online. The fourth way you can make money online is by being a blogger. Bloggers make a lot of money for being bloggers. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking of starting up a blogging business, start. Because you know what? You're going to make tons of money for being a blogger. I understand that blogging is one online business people tend to underestimate, but it pays a whole lot. When you get started and you know what you're doing, it pays a whole lot. So start your blogging business and start making that money. So guys, if you find value watching this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. Hit that notification bell beside it so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person YouTube will notify. All right, smash the like button so that YouTube can share this video to other people to watch and also get value from it. All right, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and share this video to your friends and families as well to also get value from it. All right, so the fifth way you can make money online is through drop shipping. Yes, in drop shipping, you serve as a middleman between the supplier and the consumer. You don't handle logistics, you don't handle inventory. All you need to do is to look for a winning product, all right, and sell them using your Shopify store. Let's say, for example, I'm using Shopify store as an example. There are other e-commerce stores you can actually use to do drop shipping, but Shopify store, I believe, is a popular store people use in drop shipping. Yes, all right, so you look for a supplier, you look for a winning product, and then look for a supplier of that winning product, okay, and then sell that product on your Shopify store at a higher price. And that is how you make money through drop shipping. I hope you find this video useful. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and help me share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.